Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you how to bring reference image inside Maya, and before that I want to say that I'm not going to use this image for the body part, because you can say I cannot use this as my background image inside Maya because in a perspective angle. If I use this, still my model is not gonna perfect, because again this is in perspective angle, this character. So I have a image here. So I'm going to use this image just for the body base. I'm not going to make that character looks like this guy, because both of them looks different. I'm going to use this reference just for the body base. So now let's go to Photoshop and cut this front and side image as separate image. So let's take this image. Okay, inside this folder I have this image. So let's take this image inside Photoshop and double click here. I believe you know Photoshop, but if you don't know, it's fine, just follow me exactly. Just Photoshop here, in the blank area double click to open this, and now just browse wherever you have kept your image, just go there. Here I have inside my course. Okay, and I have this image, open it. Okay, so let's cut this image into two. So I can do that by using this crop tool here. This tool, just click here to activate it, and you will get this drag from this side. Let's say I'm going to start from this front image, so drag from this side. When you put your cursor here on top of exact this line, you can see the mouse cursor is changing. Once you get this arrow kind of thing, just hold your left mouse and drag. So I'm basically cropping the whole image, and now I'm going to press enter on your keyboard. When you press enter, this part keeps, and it deletes everything outside. Okay, now this is my front image. Let's save this. Let's save as. Go to file and save as. From here I can save. So I'm going to save it inside my project folder and the source image folder. You don't have to save here, but again if you save here, Maya can directly import from here. So let's save this. Let's say this is my character front. Always give it a name, front. Okay, save it in JPEG format. Okay, now I'm going to undo it. So let's go to file, edit, and step backward, so it undo that cropping thing. Now again I'm going to do that. Again click on there, and this time I'm going to drag from this side and drag from this side. So basically I just want two images, okay, front and side. And let's go file and save as, and let's say this is my side. Okay, just side, put side here inside my source image folder I'm saving. Okay, so I'm done with saving. Let's minimize it and let's go to Maya. So now I'm inside Maya. Now I'm going to import those image into two viewports. So first click here on this fourth view icon, so that I can see my all views here. So inside front view I'm going to import the front image, and the side view the side image. Okay, so from the front view I'm going to click on this icon. You can click on this blue icon, or you can go to view, image plane, import image. From here you can see it's directly looking at that source image folder. When you create a project folder, that project folder path set to Maya automatically set that path to import things. Okay, now the path is set, and for the importing image thing, the source image path is set. That's why I just said earlier in this video, just put the image inside this source image folder. So now I have this front image, open that. You can do the same thing here, and for the side view I'm clicking on this icon. Exactly same thing, you can do that from here, or clicking on this icon and side view. Now I have my two images, you can see inside perspective view. Now I'm going to just move them. Just click here with the select tool, click on this front view and take the move tool and move it in -z axis, means the opposite z. So you can see this arrow direction this side, just go opposite and again select it and go X opposite. Okay, the front image should go -G and the side image should go -X. I did this because I want this area to be free so that I can model here in the origin area. Okay, there is no specific reason for that, but if you do model in the origin area or at the center, you'll get like a lot of benefits of symmetry things. Okay, but it's not necessary, but if you do, it's good, it's a good practice. So then I'm going to select both of them and I'm going to move that character as if it's standing on this horizontal deep grid line. You can see here the feet should be again on that. Again, this is not necessary to do, but again it's a good practice so that your character looks like it's standing on the grid. Now the most important thing, the front image. You can see the front image, the body of the center of the body is not aligned to this main origin line. So let's do that. Let's move the front image in x-axis so that it aligned to this grid. I cannot move the grid line, but I can move the reference image. Okay, it's important because if you don't like keep this at center, it's gonna hard to symmetry things. We are gonna model this half part. Okay, so do this, and the side view is fine. So let's press Control space bar to get back all these UI elements. I just earlier pressed Control space bar to maximize my viewport or to hide these UI elements. So my reference image is set up. In the next video, I'm going to start modeling.